Wisdom, one plumber. Alright, blessed greetings everyone. Just here with another video showcasing my custom build, our homemade welding plant. So it's a 110 volt welding plant, alright. Handle. This is the top section. We have 2 fans on it. These are our connections, right? So DC, so this is the positive, this is the negative. These are our connections here. This is our on and off switch. This is our switch for our top fan, right? So this is completely homemade. So the handle is made from PVC. The entire box and everything made from scratch, right? The guts of it, or the part of it that does the welding, was made from a 2 microwave transformer, an old microwave, the transformer, and then I rewire it in order to get the result that I want out of it. All right, this is the side. These are the ventilations. Ventilation right around so we can get air in and out. Ventilations again. All right. So I'm going to be showing you how it welds now, but before that, remember to like, to share, to subscribe, and also leave your comments. Remember, in everything we have to practice safety.
Link for the full welding video will be in the description below.